We will now work on Spring 2012 Test 1, number 16 and 17. Number 16. You see that I have grouping symbol here, but if you see further, they are not like terms, right? In this grouping here, they are not like terms. The y squared and y and the constant, they are not like terms. They are not like terms here either. Now, what I will do next, I will distribute the -3 to this group and 5 to that group, -5 to that group. Okay, now you may want to use your scratch paper next to you. You see, I will multiply -3 times 3 over 4. I don't think I can do cross cancelling, so there will be -9 over 4 y squared, and then -3 times -27y, that's plus -3 times -2 over 7, that's positive 6 over 7, so 6 over 7y, and then plus, okay, just multiply them. Okay, use your scratch paper. But I think you can also think of that, try to do it mentally. This is plus 21 over 5, and then minus, this is minus 10 over 3y squared, plus 5 over 4y, minus 45 over 7. Okay? Now, what I will do next, I will combine like terms. But because before I combine like terms, this is what I think I will do first. I will put them in certain order. I will group them -9 fourth y squared minus 10 over 3y squared, right? Plus 6 over 7y plus 5 over 4y plus 21 over 5 minus 45 over 7. Now, why do I do it this way? Because what I will do next is to combine these two terms here, and then combine these two terms here, and then combine these two terms here. Okay, that's what I will do. Now, how to do that? I will do LCD for each like terms. For example, for the y squared term, the LCD is 12, therefore this is 27y squared minus times 4 is 40, 12y squared. And then for the y terms, the LCD is 28, right? Therefore, if I adjust the numerator, this will be 24, and that will be 35, plus the LCD of the constant part, the LCD of 5 and 7 is 35, and when I adjust the numerator here, that will be multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7, that's 147. Here I multiply by 5, multiply by 5, that's 225. Now, then I go on with combining them. The same sign, so I follow the sign, I add the numbers. Here the same sign, already LCD, so I add the numbers also. And then here, different signs, already have LCD, so what is that? That's a negative, right? Negative, when I subtract, what do I get? 225 minus 147. That's an 8, that's a 7. That's 78 over 35. Now, from here, if you want to make them into a mixed number, that's okay, but you are actually okay to stop there. Now, if you want to go on to convert each one of them to the mixed number whenever possible, that's also okay. That's -5, 7 over 12 y squared, plus, I believe this is 2, 3 over 28 y, minus 2, 8 over 35. Okay, that's if you go on and make them into a mixed number. Number 17. Now this one you need a lot of scratch paper. I will multiply. You see that I have grouping symbols, and because they are not like terms inside, then I will apply the distribution property. Right? Now 3 times 12, there will be 3 times 12 is 36 with 1 decimal place, minus 3 times 8.7, 8.7 times 3, 1 decimal places. So this is 26.1 plus, now the 2.7 here, you don't need to get the distribution. On the right hand side of equal sign, 2.75 times 2, 5.50 or just 5.5x, minus 2 times 18 is 36 with 1 decimal place, minus x. Okay, now then from here I will combine like terms on each side. Like for example, on the left hand side I will combine this guy and that guy. It's 3.6x minus different sign, so I subtract. That's negative 23.4. And on the right hand side I will combine the x term, right? Now 5.5x minus x equals to what? Now it's not 5.4x. You see that the 5.5x minus x there is the same to write 5.5x minus 1x. Okay, if you pay attention to the place value, this is supposed to be 4.5x minus 3.6. Okay, now then from here I will move terms across equal sign. 4.5x and 3.6x. 3.6x is smaller coefficient, I will move it there. Therefore this I will move to the right. Then I get negative 23.4 plus 3.6 equals to 4.5x minus 3.6x. Okay, now again they are not like terms, there are different signs here, so when I subtract, the negative is to the larger number. This is negative, and 2.3.4 minus 3.6, that will be, this will be 8 here, this is 9, this is 1, so negative 19.8 equals to, again if you pancake them and subtract, you will get 0.9x. Don't forget to write the leading zero though. Okay, you don't know how many mistakes I saw of those students who think they will be fine by not writing the leading zero. Write it down. Okay, and then negative 19.8 divided by 0.9 equals to x. To divide by a decimal, I will move the decimal point first. Negative 198 over 9 equals to x, and you will see this is negative 22 equals to x. Okay, this is for spring 2012 test 1, number 16 and number 17.